Hello, I'm back for another quick tutorial. This tutorial will show you how to loosen or tighten the XD hinge. This should take care of two big problems. The first one being owning the XD for a long time and eventually the screen is a little too loose. Or lately with the 2018 model, some sellers are still putting them out there and there's a vulnerability where either the case is too flimsy and it's cracking, or I personally feel that it's the hinge being too tight, and because of that the case breaks. Either way, this tutorial will show you how to loosen your hinge. That way hopefully you don't have that problem and your 2018 model will not crack. Removing the top case piece is pretty easy. Just remove the rubber screw covers and then remove the screws. To unfasten or unsnap the top piece off, use a plastic pry tool. With all the XDs that I've taken apart, it seems like that one spot in the corner is the easiest way to open it up. Just work your way around with the pry tool until the top comes off. If you have the XD oriented like I do, then the hinge will be on the right side. Remove the two screws. Once you remove the screws, you can slide the hinge out. Lift the screen a little bit. This will lift the hinge out of the slot and give you something to hold on to slide it out. The hinge will slide inwards and you'll have to wiggle it a little bit to get it out. To tighten and loosen the hinge, you're going to need two pliers. You can hold one side with one set, and with the other set you can tighten or loosen the bolt. This bolt is just like every other bolt, clockwise to tighten and counterclockwise to loosen. You don't want to tighten too much or loosen it too much. Just work your way towards your goal. So turn it a little bit at a time and put it back and test it out. And do all this before you close it all up. You don't want to have to open it back up because you're not happy with the tension. That's pretty much it. Just adjust it as needed. Take it out and repeat. If you're not happy with it, just keep doing it until you're happy. From there you just work backwards. Put the top back on, put the screws back on, and then the rubber screw covers. Then you're done.